Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Taurus people, in this reading I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards your partner, your mutual energy, and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Taurus. So we have Five of Pentacles. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. Oh, we have the Devil. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Capricorn. Strength card we have. So some of you could be dealing with Leo. We have Death card. Some of you could be dealing with Scorpio. Two of Wands. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And we have Hanged Man. So I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces. Okay. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. Knight of Swords. And the future potential of this relationship would be King of Pentacles. So we have air sign Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Knight of Swords, and we have another earth sign with this King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now let's start the reading for Taurus. Taurus, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards your partner. This is the mutual energy, and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Taurus. Okay. So Taurus, your partner feels about you that you have been through something in life in past. Okay, maybe someone has dished you, someone has ghosted you, someone has cheated on you in past. Okay, and they have left you in cold with this Five of Pentacles. They have left you in between. Okay, they have cheated on you. They have dished you. Okay, on some part of life. Okay, it could be your family, it could be your friends, it could be your loved ones. It could be your ex-lover, it could be your past relationship, it could be anything. Okay, so they feel that something has happened with you and you are kind of very stressed, and you are kind of very sad about certain thing in life. Okay, but they also know that you are strong enough who knows how to deal with the tough time. Okay, even though someone has cheated on you, or even though someone has just shut their door on your face, but you have strong willpower. Okay, that's how your person sees you, Taurus. You have strong willpower. Okay, and you know how to deal with your tough situations, you know how to deal with toxic people, you know how to deal with other people with the Strength card. Okay, and they always, they also adore you with just for your this quality, Taurus. Okay, because you are very calm and composed. Okay, even though people have mistreated you, misbehaved with you, but still you have your own self-respect, and you have your own values within you, which never allows you to misbehave with other person. So that's the main quality which your person likes in you, which they adores in you. Okay, so they see you as someone who is calm and composed, and you have this lion or this tiger or lion with you, and you are holding their mouth with peacefully. Okay, so they see you as someone who knows how to handle the tough situation. They see you as someone who is very mature enough in life. Okay, plus they also feel about you that even maybe just because perhaps you have been through tough time in life and people have dished you in life. Okay, or something like that, so they feel that you are kind of obsessed with something. It could be fun for finances, it could be money, it could be home, it could be material things. It could be um, it could be any sexual energy, okay, maybe you are drawn to somebody else, okay, or maybe it could also happen that you are into third party situation, or maybe you just want to do hanky panky things with some other person, okay, that's why you are being very obsessed about some sexual energies, okay. So there is some kind of obsession is going on into your life. That's how your person sees you, Taurus. Okay, so you are being very obsessed of something in life that you need to check, okay, that you need to see what is the main thing which is going which is the main reason of your obsession, okay. And I feel that you should get yourself free from that negative energy as soon as you can, or as fast as you can, okay. Now let's see what you feel about your person, Taurus. Okay, so with this death card, something has ended at their end. That's what you know, and that's how you feel about your person, Taurus. Something has happened with them, something has ended at their end, something has vanished, okay, demolished, okay, from their life, okay, and something new, I mean, a new beginning is, or a new day is about to start into their life, okay. A new phase is about to start into their life, okay. That's how you see your partner or your person. You feel that they have been through a lot in in last some time, or in last couple of few months or years. Now this is the time when universe is asking them to start something new. So something new is about to start into their life, okay, with this death card, okay. And yes, so the change which is coming into their life, okay, the new day which is coming into their life, that is bringing balance into their life, okay, that is bringing wisdom into their life. Maybe they are drawn to some spiritual things now. They are just holding back their emotions. They are just holding back their feelings towards you, or towards the relationship, or towards any other thing. Now they are just focused on their spiritual growth, okay. Now they just want to focus about their own spiritual journey, okay, their spiritual transformation. They do not want to get into in any kind of relationship. That's what I'm feeling with this hanged man card, and that's how you see your partner, Taurus, okay. So you feel that they are into some kind of a journey, and they just want to explore the new options in life, or maybe they just want to know what is there in this life for them, what universe has kept for them, okay. So they are just being very silent towards you right now. And with this two of wands, you feel that your partner is also someone who wants to explore something new in life. Maybe they want to move out from their current location, okay. They have a world into their hand, so they are just exploring options where they can move, okay. And I feel that they just want to go beyond, or across the ocean, or they just want to move out from their current location. Maybe they want to move to some other city, some other country, or maybe some other continent, okay. So that's how you feel about your person, and that's how you are seeing your person, Taurus, that they actually and they genuinely wants to move out from their current location, okay. The mutual energy of this Knight of Swords is Knight of Swords. Uh, I feel it's you who is, uh, maybe I feel that you have, have get some clarity in life, and you just want to out from that obsession energy. So I feel it's you who is, coming towards your person. Maybe there were some third party situation in your life, as I said, with this devil card. So maybe now you are feeling that no, this is not the thing which I actually want in life. So it's you who is running after a new change in life. Okay, so, and I feel for some of you that you are definitely going to talk to your person. Okay, if there is no communication between you and your person, then I feel that it's you who is going to take certain action towards them. Or it could be I mean, it could also happen that your person is out of this hanged man energy. Now they want to communicate with you. Now they want to open their heart in front of you, that see, this is the thing, and I want this thing, or I want to achieve certain thing in life. Okay, so it could be anything, but I'm seeing someone is going to approach to the other person. Okay, and I feel it's both of you, both of you are trying to communicate with your partner, with your person. Okay, the future potential of this relationship is King of Pentacles. So I feel it's both of you, both of you are going to feel as a king. Okay, in future. Okay, you'll have everything in life, be it home, be it finances, be it money, be it everything. I mean, you guys will have everything in life. Okay, to make this relationship a beautiful relationship for both of you. Okay, and I feel that there is going to be some collaboration also for both of you. Maybe you guys are going to work towards your finances. Okay, maybe you guys are um, going to take something new in terms of career or finances things. Okay, maybe you guys are going to start new business together. Okay, it could be anything. So I'm seeing a collaboration in future for both of you. Okay, yes. Okay, so that was the reading for Taurus. Taurus people, if any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.